Long ago, the planet of Mars was a place of eternal rain. Long before our history, long before our planet was viable. The red planet was green, but one day that rain started to sizzle and burn and hiss like magma. Soon we lived underground to avoid the burning rain, only going above in special suits. And soon that armor became who we are, forgetting our forms beneath the metal and bonded steel. The worst was our cities. We lived in the great box towers and hives made to resist rain. We huddled in the boxes. The rain never ended. In some ways, it was a quiet life. Nobody wanted war or exploration, too dangerous. But we stagnated, and the rest is rather obvious. So go about your daily life, and the next time it rains, perhaps give a quick prayer that it stops the next day.